Hello everyone. Today I will present overview of the RecyClass standard. This presentation explores the standards which aims to improve the efficiency of plastic recycling. We will cover the standards background, structure, implementation, impact on the recycling industry, and future developments. Today we will discuss RecyClass standards, starting with its introduction and significance in the recycling landscape. We will then delve into its structure and components, explore how companies can implement and comply with the standard, examine its impact on the recycling industry, and look ahead to future developments. Introduction to RecyClass. RecyClass is an initiative aimed at enhancing the quality and efficiency of plastic recycling. Now let's explore its background, purpose, key objectives, and the importance of having standardized recycling practice. Background and purpose of RecyClass. RecyClass was established to address the challenges faced in plastic recycling. Its purpose is to create a common framework that facilitates better recycling practice and optimize the recycling process across the industry. Challenges in plastic recycling. RecyClass was founded to tackle various challenges within the plastic recycling sector. Ensuring effective solutions are developed common framework for recycling. The initiative aims to establish a standardized framework that promotes improved recycling practice across the industry, optimizing recycling processes. RecyClass focuses on optimizing the recycling processes, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness in plastic material recovery. Key objectives and goals. The main objectives of RecyClass include in increasing the recyclability of plastic products, ensuring compatibility with recycling processes, and promoting transparency throughout the supply chain. Increase recyclability. One of the primary objectives is to enhance the recyclability of plastic products, making them easier to recycle effectively. Compatibility with recycling processes, ensuring that plastic products are compatible with existing recycling processes is vital for efficient recycling operations. Promote supply chain transparency. Promoting transparency throughout the supply chain is essential to foster trust and accountability in recycling practice. Importance of standardized recycling. Standardized recycling practice are crucial for improving the efficiency and effectiveness of recycling operations standards help manufacturers, recyclers, and consumers understand that is recyclable and how to recycle it properly. Efficiency in recycling. Standardized recycling practice enhance the efficiency of recycling operations, leading to better resource recovery. Consumer awareness. A standardized practice educates consumers on what materials are recyclable and how to sort them correctly. Collaboration among stakeholders. Standardization fosters collaboration between manufacturers, recyclers, and consumers, improving overall recycling outcomes. Structure and components of the RecyClass standard. The RecyClass standard is structured to provide a clear and systematic approach to certification. We'll discuss the certification process, its category and classifications, and the criteria used for evaluation. Certification process. The certification process involves several steps, including assessment of products, compliance with criteria, and approval from these designated bodies. This ensures that products meet the defined recycling standards. Product assessment. The first step in the certification process is the thorough assessment of products to ensure they meet specific requirements. Compliance with criteria. Products must comply with established criteria to qualify for certification, ensuring they meet recycling standards. Approval from designated bodies. Final approval is granted by designated bodies, certifying that the products meet the necessary recycling standards. Categories and classifications. RecyClass categories and classifies plastic products based on their recyclability. This classification helps businesses to identify which products can be recycled and how they should be processed. Recyclability classification. RecyClass focuses on categorizing plastic products according to their recyclability, adding in efficient recycling processes. Benefits for businesses. This classification system assists businesses in identifying which plastic products are recyclable and how to process them effectively. Criteria for evaluation. The evaluation criteria set by RecyClass include factors such as material composition, design for recycling, and the overall environmental impact of the products. These criteria guide companies in fostering better recycling practice. Material composition. Evaluating the material composition of products ensures they are suitable for recycling and environmental sustainability. Design for recycling. Designing products with recycling in mind helps reduce waste and promote sustainable practice in manufacturing. Environmental impact. Assessing the overall environmental impact of products helps in making informed decisions that favor sustainable development. Implementation and compliance. To effectively implement the RecyClass standard, companies must follow specific steps to achieve a certification. We'll look at these steps, assess for case studies, and common challenges along with their solutions. Steps for companies to get certified. Companies seeking certification must conduct a self-assessment, prepare documentation, submit products for evaluation, and implement necessary change to ensure compliance with the RecyClass standard. Conduct self-assessment. The first step is for companies to conduct a self-assessment to identify current practice and areas for improvement. Prepare documentation. Companies need to prepare necessary documentation detailing their processes and compliance measures for certification. Submit products for evaluation. Submit products for evaluation is crucial to ensure they meet the required standards specified by RecyClass. Implement necessary changes. After evaluation, companies must implement necessary changes to improve compliance and meet certification requirements. Case studies of successful implementation. Numerous companies have successfully implemented the RecyClass standard, leading to improved recycling practice. We'll examine some notable case studies that highlight these successes. Successful company examples. Various companies have adopted the RecyClass standard, demonstrating significant improvements in their recycling practice. Impact on recycling practice. The implementation of the RecyClass standard has led to measurable enhancements in recycling efficiency and waste management. Notable case studies. We will explore specific case studies that highlight the benefits and successes achieved through the RecyClass standard. Challenges and solutions. While implementing the RecyClass standard, companies may face challenges such as resistance to change or lack of resources. We'll discuss these challenges and propose practical solutions to overcome them. Resistance to change. Resistance to change is a common challenge. When implementing new standards, employees may be hesitant to adopt new practices and processes. Resource limitations. A lack of resources can hinder the effective implementation of the RecyClass standard. Companies need to allocate adequate resources for success. Practical solutions. Proposing practical solutions involves training, stakeholder engagement, and setting achievable goals to facilitate the transition. Impact on the recycling industry. The RecyClass standard significantly impacts the recycling industry by improving recycling rates, facilitating a circular economy, and providing both economic and environmental benefits. Improving recycling rates by promoting best practice and standardized processes. The RecyClass standard helps increase recycling rates across the industry, leading to a more sustainable approach to plastic waste management. Standardized recycling processes. Implementing standardized processes is essential for improving recycling rates and ensuring consistency across the industry. Best practice and recycling promoting best practice in recycling can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of recycling efforts. Sustainable waste management, a more sustainable approach to plastic waste management is critical for reducing environmental impact and conserving resources. Facilitating a circular economy, the standard plays a vital role in facilitating a circular economy by ensuring that materials are reused and recycled efficiently, uh, ultimately reducing the demand for virgin materials. Role of standards. Standards are essential for facilitating a circular economy, promoting the efficient reuse and recycling of materials. Material reuse. Efficient material reuse is crucial for reducing the demand for virgin materials and minimizing waste. Recycling efficiency. Recycling efficiency ensures that materials are processed in a way that maximizes their life cycle and minimize waste. Economic and environmental benefits. Adopting the RecyClass standard brings numerous benefits, including cost saving for companies and positive environmental impacts such as reduced landfill waste and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Cost saving for companies adopting the RecyClass standard can lead to significant cost saving for companies through efficient resource management, reduced landfill waste. Implementing the RecyClass standards have to minimize landfill waste, promoting a more sustainable waste management approach, lower greenhouse gas emissions. The RecyClass standard contributes to low greenhouse gas emissions by promoting recycling and responsible resource use. Future developments and innovations. Looking ahead, we will discuss ongoing research and potential innovations within the RecyClass standard, including technological advancements in recycling and collaborations with other sustainability initiatives. Ongoing research and updates. Research is continually being conducted to refine the RecyClass standard and address emerging challenges in plastic recycling. Is essential to stay updated on these developments. Refining a RecyClass standard. Ongoing research aims to enhance the RecyClass standard to improve plastic recycling processes and guidelines emerging challenges. Research addresses emerging challenges in plastic recycling, focusing on new materials and technological advancements. Importance of updates staying updated on research developments is crucial for effective adaptation in plastic recycling practice. Technological advancements in recycling. Technological innovations are crucial for enhancing recycling processes. Advances in sorting, processing, advances in sorting, processing, and material recovery technology can significantly improve efficiency and effectiveness. Technological advancements in recycling, innovative sorting technologies, advancements in sorting technologies are uh, pivotal for improving the efficiency of separating recyclable materials. Processing enhancements, new processing techniques are being developed to enhance the effectiveness of the recycling materials into useful products. Material recovery innovations. The innovation in material recovery technologies are crucial for maximizing the amount of recyclable materials recycled. Collaboration with other sustainability initiatives. Collaborating with other sustainability initiatives can strengthen the impact of the RecyClass standard. Joint efforts can lead to increased awareness, shared resources, and greater overall effectiveness. Strengthening impact. Um, Collaborating with other initiatives can significantly enhance the impact of sustainability efforts, promoting shared goals. Increased awareness. Joint efforts can lead to heightened, awareness about sustainability practice among diverse audience and stakeholders. Share resources. Collaboration allow for the pooling of resources, make sustainability initiatives more effective and resource efficient. Greater effectiveness. Working together can lead to more effective solutions and strategies that benefit the environment and so society. Um, in summary, the RecyClass standard plays a pivotal role in enhancing plastic recycling efficiency and facilitating a sustainable future by fostering collaboration and continuous improvements. We can make significant strides towards effective recycling practice. Role of RecyClass standard. The RecyClass standard enhances plastic recycling efficiency and supports a more sustainable future. Collaborative efforts. Fostering collaboration among stakeholders is essential for improving recycling practice and achieving sustainability goals. Continued improvement in recycling processes is vital for making significant strides in effective recycling practice. Thanks for listening. See you next time.